Hey you guys, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through your leads tab. And the first thing you want to do is look at categories. So when you sign up with us, automatically these are going to be created for you. And why they're automatically created is because we have text messages and emails created for each one of these categories. So when you put a person in any one of these categories, they will automatically receive information based on this. So if they're home value, they're going to get home value text messages. Emails automatically sent to them. Same for buyers and sellers, for sell by owners and lenders. So this will save you hundreds of hours in having to not create, different drip campaigns and everything else. Now, over time, or as you're using the platform, you can customize every feature, so you can add your own text messages and emails and which one you want for them to receive for the first day, the second day, all of that. But as it is right now, it's all pre-done for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, if you want to add a category, say for Facebook ads, you could just add a category and call it, Facebook ads, right? You want to target these people with specific messaging that they came through Facebook, right? So you can do that. And we'll just delete it for now. But I wanted to show you categories because a lot of people had wondered, hey, how does the text message and email drip? What does it work off of? So it works off of categories. So wherever you have that lead placed in that category, they're going to receive messaging based on that. Now tags, as you can click right here, we've already added all of these in our demo, but typically you're going to have just a few, right? And so you can add as many as you want right here and basically customize it so okay, hey, call no answer. Maybe you used CNA. So there's ways that your mind works better as far as memorizing how you work with your leads. So you can customize this completely to yourself, how you want to use it. But it's really easy. You can add and use pre-approval. So all these tags will be on the actual users or the prospects site, so you can kind of see what tags are assigned to them. So this is really helpful. And I'll show you this as an example right here. If you scroll down and you look at the tags, they have these tags right here, right? So you can say, okay, cool. This is follow-up seller, needs to be pre-approved. Okay, so this one's going to be over here. So all of those, and you can also search by tags. Okay, so if you were to look and say, hey, I want to reach out to do a marketing campaign only to investors. Okay, we don't have no investors right now, but if you did, you can say, okay, how many people are in my deals already? Okay, Jesse's my only deals, and he's in hot. He should be in deals. Okay, cool. So you can sort through tags, and it makes it very easy for you to manage all your client prospects. So automatically, when you do it from the beginning, it's gonna pull everything normal. So you should see it just like this. Okay. But if you select a tag, you can switch and see exactly what tag you want to work off of, or which one as well. If are they client prospects, are they lender leads, or home value? So you can look at that as well. And so this is a really cool way it's set up. Just makes it really easy, drag and drop. You can see the tags that are right here added to each client prospect or prospect. And if you hover over it here, you can see, okay, I want to send them an email, dial them, a ringless voicemail. I want to set a reminder to call them tomorrow. I want to upload documents to their file or upload, information, add a note. So this is a really cool deal that's all right here, makes it easy for you. And so if you are on a computer and you dial, you're going to be able to call them from your computer, from your laptop, or from your phone. You don't need an app, nothing like that. The application is mobile friendly, so really cool to have this availability when you're looking at your client prospects. So jumping back into your leads tab, we've covered categories and we've covered tags. So we're gonna go right here to prospects. Now prospects is where whenever you get a lead that comes in, it's like a waiting pool. So they'll come into here, and once they're in here, you're gonna be able to add them down to client prospects or delete them. Because sometimes when you're running Facebook ads, you're getting a lot of bogus people who are just, don't have the right phone numbers. It might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whatever. So to make sure that your actual pipeline of prospects doesn't get, fake opportunities, this is your waiting pool for in your prospects area. So you can say, hey, that's a good number. The email looks legit. Okay, I'm gonna pass it on to my client prospects. And so once you did that, they'd go into client prospects. Okay, so then now they'd be here. And so you can also you can email them from here. You can dial their number if you wanted to, ring this voicemail. You can do everything that you could do from the dashboard right here that you saw by hovering over them. You can do from the same spot, okay, as far as in the client prospect area. And that's just basically the same exact way it's set up for lender leads. They're going to go into the waiting pool, then be passed on to the lender leads. For home value, they're not, because home value, they're just looking to see what about information about the home. So they're just going to go automatically in here, okay? Now we're going to talk about setting reminders. So if you look at set reminders, you're going to see that these are already done for home value. You don't have to do anything for them, like we were talking about. So all these are pre-built for you once you sign up. So that's pretty cool. It'll save you a lot of time. If you look at lender leads and you looked at setting up a drip campaign, your drip campaign as well. Let's look at this. For lender, it's automatically set up as well. Let's just look at SMS, 1 day, boom, it's all done for you. You can just add them. So that's a pretty cool deal as well. If you look at client prospects, you were to go to drip SMS, everything's set up for you. Home value, you can look at lender follow-up, everything is done for you. So you don't have to do any SMS or email setups at all. Everything's done email. Day one, when you see 0, it's immediately, which is typically the second day, the next day, and then this is day 1, which would be the second day. So just for heads up, but this is how it would process everything automatically. So that's really cool. So the leads is basically going to manage everything for you. Now you can set your own custom reminders, through text message. So let's say that you want to add your own custom reminder. You need to have an SMS or an email template set up yourself, which we'll talk about in the next video. And that's just how that would work. You create your own email template, SMS template, and those would show up here when you went to templates. But right now, since these are all pre-built for you, we're saving you a lot of time. So you technically, even for referral leads, for referrals, you have them all pre-done for you. Google, Facebook, Zillow, video review. So if you're trying to save time and get your business running, use what we've already pre-built for you. It'll save you a lot of time and get your business running faster. So this is the leads tab area that we covered: category, tags, the prospect and lender leads waiting pool, and then how the client prospect and lender leads and home value and everything else works